This is DJI RSC2 Gimbal, and today I will show how you can change the follow or follow-in preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to, power the gimbal on or switch the device on, then go into settings by pressing the left side dial button. Here, look for the follow icon, then press it in, and here you can, as far as the preferences go, you can change the mode. So there are, quite a few of them. So PF stands for the pan follow, PTF stands for the pan and tilt follow, and FPV is the mode that is currently set. You can also set up the custom one and select what axis will be followed here. You can also enable the 3D roll 360 mode, portrait mode, which once enabled I would assume it will just turn the camera into the following position. So let me show you better how it looks then. And also let's also see how the FPV mode will look also. So first person view. What else if we were to get back? By the way, you can get back on this gimbal by tapping at the dedicated back button here, this one. Apart from changing modes, you can also change the follow-up speed. You can change it between slow, medium, and fast, or you can set a custom speed by changing this value here. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.